struggling with flabby arms or sagging skin. In this video, I'm sharing a few powerful home remedies and easy daily exercises that can help tighten, tone, and transform your arms in as little as 1 week. No gym, no problem. These natural DIY treatments are simple, affordable, and effective.
She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as
What's
a
up,
storm.
beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all, today is by special request. Someone wanted me to gather all the information that I possibly could on arm fat. Look, I have the problem myself, and I work on it, then I sit down, and then I work on it again, then I sit down, and never consistently. So we're going to do these things together. Let's start a routine of helping with arm fat so that we can be ready for the summer. Don't be fooled. We coming out, okay? And we want to be cute. All right, I said cute. So let's get to these treatments. Choose the one that you think will work best for you. Heck, choose them all. Let's get to it. Yes, we're ready to get started with this today. Now we're going to be talking about, first of all, lemon, aloe vera, and peppermint oil. Listen, vitamin C, allicin, and menthol present in this homemade mask for saggy arms boost collagen production, which in turn improves elasticity, making the skin tight and firm. Just mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 15 drops of peppermint oil. Whisk until all the ingredients blend well. Apply a liberal amount onto the affected area. Wrap your arms tightly with cling wrap and let the mask remain for 40 minutes. And then simply rinse and pat dry. Next we have olive oil and sugar. It has a chock full of antioxidants, vitamins, and essential minerals that improve the elasticity of skin, making it more toned. Just mix 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just white sugar is fine. Or you can also use brown sugar. Just mix that with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Use the mixture to scrub your skin. Scrub in a round circular motion. Once you feel a warm and tingling sensation on your skin, rinse it with cold water and pat dry. Rub the area with ice cubes for 2 minutes and then follow this skin tightening mask for flabby arms twice a week. We have next almond oil. Almond oil has a high level of vitamin E and good antioxidants, both of which burn fats and tighten skin. How this works is just heat a tablespoon of almond oil in low heat. Massage it onto the affected area in a circular motion. Leave it overnight. Follow this natural remedy for flabby arms every night to see amazing results. Then we have coffee granules, coconut oil, and ginger oil. Now, packed with antioxidants, antibacterial, and bioactive compounds which raise the body heat level, this combo helps dissolve fat deposits. How this works, all you have to do is mix 1 tablespoon of coffee ground powder with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 10 drops of ginger oil. Now you may see a variety of coconut oils and also the ginger oil. Just choose which one you prefer. I do have links below for most of the ingredients here, so feel free to purchase using my links. That would be so great. And And let's go on to how you use this one. Massage it vigorously on the flabby bits of your arm. Exfoliate in a circular motion until you start feeling your skin getting warm. Rinse it with cold water. Follow it up with a nourishing lotion. Repeat this home remedy for flabby arms twice a week. And then finally, we have the incredible edible egg. The egg white. It has hydrolipids, proteins, and astringent properties that boost collagen levels, which in turn tightens the skin. All you have to do is beat 2 egg whites into a frothy consistency, massage it onto the affected area, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then rinse. Repeat this regularly for amazing results.
Beautiful babes, I hope today you enjoyed today's video. Let's get started on getting rid of this flab. Girl, it won't be long. I promise you, we are going to get ready to wear these arms out, and we want them looking good. So I'm going to take on the challenge, and I want you to do it too. I want you to stay safe in the meantime. And hey, if you were here today, let me know it by dropping a heart down in the comment section, and also telling me which one of these treatments you're going to be using. Okay, now beautiful babes, you know what we got to do. We got to spread the word that your girl Sweet Angel is right here on YouTube talking about beauty, tightening it up, making it right, making it glow, making it look good. So please make sure you don't keep me a secret. You know what you gotta do, don't you? Absolutely. Share me with your world, and I will see you and you. I'm talking about you, yeah, you. I'll see you on the next video. I know I will, because you're gonna subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can get that bing every time that's it, your girl uploads. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
She's the prayer her grandma whispered. She's the song her mama sang. She's the fire of every sister, rising higher through the